good?
Good. You good?
Wanna try some?
Try some cereal.
Coco's hungry.
And Coco's really hungry? Are you really hungry?
He's trying some rice cereals.
Okay, go ahead. What do you think? I don't know if he's swallowing it. I think he's going in. Yeah, there you go. Mmm. So good. Want some more?
Oh, Mom, please.
Oh. I was looking at Cassie. Ready?
Big bite.
Tell him how to do it. Good, good. That was a good one. Ready?
Four.
Your pork. Ooh, dip, 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 dip. What do you think?
Daddy.
What do you think?
Daddy.
Is it good? Yummy. Get the.
More? You like it. I think.
What? Who is Thomas? Tip-top, tip-top.
Whoa.
Is that good?
You like it?
What a mess. What a mess you are.
What a mess you are.
You're so messy. I think I should give him this whole tablespoon. Yeah, he's gonna explode.
You think?
I don't have any idea.
He's smiling at you.
He's so excited to be eating lunch with you.
It's like, finally, salad with my brother.
Do you want some of Coco's lunch? No?
You just dropped
Cereal.
Hit, hit, hit.
This one is book.
Whoa.